Hey guys, this is how to make Gamepass in Please Donate. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course go to roblox.com, and after that just simply search for the Please Donate at the top over here. And now just simply click on the game over here. And now after that, just simply click on create at the top over here, guys. And now from here, it will redirect you to this page. And make sure you are here, create.roblox.com. After that, go for the creations on the left side. Now guys, from here, just simply click on your place over here. And after that, just simply scroll down to the left side over here. And just simply go for monetization over here. And the drop down will show up and go for the passes. And after that, just simply click on create a pass over here. And after that, just simply create the name for your pass. Let's say I'm gonna go for you the best, and you can change the picture as well over here. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And after that, just simply provide a description over here. And after that, just simply click on create pass over here and click on it. And after that, guys, as you can see, it is off sale. So just simply click on it. And now from here, guys, just simply go to the left side over here and you should be able to see sales. So click on it, sales, and make sure to enable this one, item for sale. And now from here, just simply provide the price. Just simply, let's say I'm gonna go for 200. And as you can see, you will not take the full 200 because there is a creator earning 70%. So you will only have 140. And after that, just simply click on save changes. And from there, you should be able to create your pass. And now guys, let's go to the game. I'm gonna go for the please donate app. Now guys, let's go inside the game as you can see over here. So guys, as you can see, we are inside the game and this is the pass that we just created. And there you go. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below and thanks for watching. See ya.